You don't always need a fancy jig. This clamping solution sucked. So get some super glue and some activator and a little bit of blue tape. It's going to make a nice featherboard for you. Stick around, check out 2 other jigs you're going to learn about in this video. If you don't have activator, use CO glue and put a weight on it until it dries. No big deal. Come up with a different solution. Use hot glue. If you don't use hot glue, figure out a new solution. Just be safe. We needed a jig that held the piece of wood down and in place. So I've got 2 feather boards to make this dado. Worked really well. I had a lot of boards to run through here for these frames I'm making. The 3rd jig is coming up in 10 seconds, so stick around. I needed a way to hold the 2 pieces together so that I can nail them together. This 90-degree system worked really well, held it in place, and came in clutch. In the comments, let me know what jig you've made. If you haven't made one, put no jiggy in the comments. Thanks for hanging around, everybody. These 3 jigs helped me out a lot. I hope they help you out. I had 24 frames to make. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Hope you have a great one.